Good evening, teacher and classmates. My name is Kevin Malabetanco Muñoz, and today I'm going to explain the difference between death and extinct language, the consequences of disappearing language for cultural heritage by designing a teaching book. I'm going to say an introduction on this topic. The validity of a language depends on its speakers. For example, there are native speakers who master a language, but do not use it to interact or communicate, leading to its disappearance. All right, according to Adrados, 2004, the language are those that have no native speakers. That is, they no longer use the language in order to communicate with other people. I'm going to talk about language shift and language death. Language shift. This happens when language tend to merge and interrelate with each other over time. For example, they have characteristics in common. And language death, a language disappears when there are no longer native speakers to communicate and interact in that language. In addition, there are other factors such as a linguistic change, among others. I'm going to talk about dead language and extinct language. All right. On the one hand, a dead language can be used as a second language for interaction and communication. On the other hand, extinct language has characteristics in common, since both are languages that are not used in everyday life. Right? And I'm going to say some examples on this topic. Dead language. One example would be that there are speakers who know the language but have not reached fluency, causing a lack of interest in continuing to learn. And extinct language, a language can also disappear due to change in the syntactic structure of the language. For example, the order of words and sentence. In conclusion, the consequences of disappearance of language would mainly affect the rich heritage of a country, causing the loss of its cultural identity. And that's it. Thank you so much for your time. See you later. Bye-bye.